Hello, everyone. Finally, Mullen is up 13% today after it was already up almost 30%. Is this the reversal day we've been talking about for weeks? Let's find out. First of all, I do have to say that we all got to be realistic here. We are all down a lot, a lot, a lot, and this is just up to 3 cents of the lows. But you know what? It's a start. And actually, I do really like the timing of this reversal, potential reversal. It is basically at the lowest of the lowest news about massive dilution, which wasn't even a big surprise to us all. And it was at a point where probably the last people that had some belief sold their shares. And usually, those are the times when everyone is puking on Mullen. Then it finally seems to reverse. And we had some aggressive buying earlier today, as you can see here. It went up from 20 cents to almost 30 cents, and now we're still up quite nicely, 13%. It is a start. It is a start. And of course, we got to be realistic after the news of the dilution. I mean, that was not a surprise to us all. We all saw that the volume was constantly increasing and the share price was going down and it was only moving a few 10 cents, 5 cents, but the volume was increasing and increasing. And look at the size of the volume of today. I mean, we still have an hour to go and the volume is almost over 350 million. This is insane. Now, realistically, with the letter to the shareholders, the math that was being provided, I mean, to be honest, I'm just going to be honest with you guys, I'm not really sure what to think of it. I mean, it's based on a certain float of shares, but with the dilution going on, potentially still going on, it's hard to add any value to that. And basically, what I think we should all do is watch the technicals here and see if this can be the start of a potential reversal play and a short squeeze because in all honesty, of course, this stock is still getting shorted so much. And I mean, the shorts have been right so far, but at some point they do have to surrender, they do have to close their shorts, and that is when it can get really fun for the people that still have shares left, like me and probably many others as well that are back holding Mullen. And is this time to average down? Well, it's quite early to tell, but at least this is the day we've been talking about, for a long time. The reversal day, it might have come here. Now, the comparison with 2022, we had this day right here. It was in 24th of February after massive, massive, massive decline in the stock price, two hits at the 20-day moving average. This was the bottom in the end. Now, today's candle actually looks a little better, but it's the first green one in a while. Also, it comes after we touched that 20-day a few times. Now, that is definitely going to be the main level to watch right now, and we all know it is. Also, we still got this trend line, which is currently at around 50 cents. 50 cents also still a very important level for options that can potentially get in the money. So the 50 cents is important, and of course that 20-day, which is currently at 67 cents. So, I mean, the stock price still has to go plus 200% before we even hit that, and before we even hit the trigger. So it's a big gamble from this point on, but basically, if Mullen can get there, and you're already entering into a position right now, you already get a 200% gain, so that would be really nice. And from that point on, I would say a real squeeze is on hands, and the 50-day is always being touched after the break of the 20-day, as we saw, for example, here in 2022 at the end where we broke it and then we squeezed all the way up from around $4 to around $10. But this time, this is much higher. We need to, percentage-wise, we need to go up much more. Now, next question is a reverse split on the table again? Well, I did see the proposals for the shareholder meeting, and they were proposing another reverse split. Shareholders could vote on that. Now, I think it's almost inevitable. I mean, on one hand, I do like a reverse stock split because the float will get reduced again. On the other hand, they will be able to probably dilute more shares again at a better price for management. So Yeah, I mean, I don't really know what to think of it. I mean, honestly, we really got to look at the candle today, upcoming days. Can we get the reversal? Check out the volume. Is it increasing even more? Are they diluting more? That's what we got to look at first. The dilution really has to stop. Otherwise, there's pretty much no way in going up because every move up will get diluted back down. So that's really important to monitor the volume and technically. I'm still waiting at this stage, waiting for a break of the trend line and the 20-day. It might come in a few days, it might come in a month, but of course, at some point, we will break that 20-day. And in my opinion, that will be a really, really good entry point. And you can already anticipate on it right now if you want to be my guest. This is definitely the candle we've been waiting for a long time. And I just hope without any press release, without any fake news, without any deal rumors, just a classic traditional squeeze, a technical squeeze, breaking triggers, getting day traders in it, getting very, very trending. That's what we need right now. And maybe today is the start. Please, in the comments, let me know what you think. Is this finally the big reversal day or not? Let me know. Or do you think that we are going down below 10 cents and get the reverse split in a couple of weeks? Please let me know. Also, don't forget to leave a like and a subscribe. And I hope to see you all the next video.